In gardens worldwide, bell peppers are treated as annuals, planted in spring, enjoyed in summer, and discarded at the first frost. But here's the secret. In their native warm climates, peppers are perennials, capable of living and fruiting for years. The myth of the single-season pepper comes from our habits, exposing them to cold and disturbing their roots. Each time we dig or till, we damage their delicate root network, forcing the plant to focus on repair instead of growth. This cycle of stress keeps peppers from reaching their true potential. But if we protect them from cold and root disturbance, peppers can thrive for many seasons. Imagine a plant not as a disposable crop, but as a resilient survivor. The key is creating a sanctuary, undisturbed roots and shelter from winter. This shift in perspective unlocks a new way of gardening, in harmony with the pepper's natural life cycle. The result? Fresh, homegrown peppers, not just for one summer, but for years to come. Let's discover how. The solution is simple. Move your pepper into a container. In a pot, roots grow undisturbed, building a strong foundation for years of harvests. Containers offer mobility. Follow the sun in spring and fall, find shade in summer, and escape the cold in winter. Choose a large pot, at least 5 gallons, bigger is better, to give roots room to grow. This isn't just a pot, it's a permanent sanctuary, safe from garden tools and harsh weather. With stable conditions, your pepper becomes a long-term companion, not a one-season wonder. Container gardening reveals the pepper's true perennial nature. A simple change, extraordinary results. Ready to set up your pepper's forever home? The right soil is crucial for a perennial pepper. Start with high-quality peat-free compost for steady nutrients. Add perlite or coarse sand for drainage. Roots hate soggy soil. This living soil supports healthy roots and a thriving plant. Supplement with compost tea or diluted seaweed. Feed every few weeks for extra nutrition. Peppers need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Move the pot to chase the sun. Keep temperatures warm, ideally 21 to 29 degrees and 7 to 85 degrees. With the right soil, food and climate, your pepper will flourish year after year. It's about creating the perfect mini ecosystem. Now let's keep those peppers coming. As flowers appear, consistent watering is key. Keep soil moist, but never soggy. Heavy fruit can strain branches, so support your plant with a bamboo cane or tomato cage. The real secret? Harvest peppers early and often, even while green. Picking regularly signals the plant to keep producing more flowers and fruit. Use scissors to cut peppers cleanly, avoiding damage. This cycle of harvest and regrowth keeps your plant in perpetual production. With proper support, watering and harvesting, your pepper becomes a non-stop source of fresh veggies. It's a simple routine for endless rewards. The more you pick, the more it gives. Let's make your pepper a true perennial producer. As autumn chills arrive, don't say goodbye. Bring your potted pepper indoors before frost. Place it in the sunniest window. It will rest, needing less water and no fertilizer. Let the topsoil dry between waterings. Overwatering is the biggest winter risk. Leaf drop is normal. The plant is conserving energy. Harvest any remaining peppers before moving indoors. Ripen them in a bag with a banana or apple. When spring returns, gradually reintroduce your pepper to outdoor sun. Prune away dead twigs to encourage new growth. Your plant will bounce back faster than any seedling ready to fruit again. Treating peppers as perennials means earlier, bigger harvests every year. It's not just a plant, it's a long-term garden partner. Enjoy endless peppers, season after season.